It's so windy out here. It's so cold, but it's beautiful.
Can you see that down there? The weather is warmed up. There's a snowman in my yard. Is that cute? I'll have to go outside to record it.
Okay, so I've been busy and I haven't been recording, but I've been making a cake. It's going to be a 6-layer cake, a Neapolitan cake. So it's got chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Do you want to see? It's a huge cake. Hang on.
You should have done the cake as if it were the cake from Sleeping Beauty, where it's like tipping over on the broom. And
It still may tip over. Here, spin it around so it can see all the sides before I frost it. Look at that. It's huge.
you should do the frosting on the outside brown, white, and pink.
Oh, that would be so hard. Okay. All right, I had most of the first layer of frosting on when I remembered that it's much easier if you put it on a turntable.
Oh, that's a lot of cake to decorate.
That is, I gotta make more frosting. I already used 5 sticks of butter. That's 1 1/4 pounds of butter. And now and a whole bag that's 2 pounds of powdered sugar. So now I have to go find some more.
Invite friends over. That thing is huge.
Yeah, well, gotta get some more butter and some more powdered sugar. Make some more frosting. It is a huge, 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 huge cake. It won't focus behind me, but okay. It's time. Ooh, it's time for the next frosting layer to cover up all the cake that's still showing. So I made more frosting. Yeah. Okay, I put this, I don't know, what would you call it, scalloped edge along the bottom. And I did it along the top, and I didn't like how it looked, so I took it off. You know, this cake is taller than the knife that I used to smooth it out, so I couldn't get it very smooth. We'll just have to imagine it smooth, right? Yeah.
A skyscraper building.
Oh, I can smooth it all out and we can make a skyscraper building. Get your nose away from there. Look at this. Wilder. He's air licking the air, hoping to taste it.
Birthday cake 2 years ago.
Oh, he did eat her birthday cake 2 years ago. So he's got a taste for butter and stuff. He's a 1.5 years old, and so far he's eaten a stick of butter off the counter, a big bite out of Erica's birthday cake, and anything else.
He just has a thing for butter.
I think I had some little dog food kibbles on the table that I was giving Piper for a treat. And when I left the room and I came back in, there were only a couple left, so I think he ate those off the table. But other than that, I can't think of anything he ate. He chewed up one of Elisa's sandals.
She wanted it, sure.
When he was like 6 months old, or less than that. He was just a little puppy. So she had to get new sandals. But anyway, he doesn't chew a whole lot. And I don't know what to do with the cake. I finally made it outside to check out the snowman. You gotta see this. Wilder, he checked it out too. Yeah, christened it. Oh, look it. It's just a gorgeous day out here. Check it out. You can hear the birds chirping. Everyone thinks it's spring. Spring! We'll find out tomorrow, because tomorrow is Groundhog's Day. What do you think of Groundhog's Day? Do you think the groundhog ever gets it right? There it is. It looks like a Neapolitan cake, right? I think it turned out pretty. It's a big cake. A big cake.
Story time!
It's story time! Yay! Oh, it's hard to fit both of us in here. My arms aren't long enough. Ooh, I can't get us both in here. Okay, there we are. We're gonna read a book. And how appropriate is this? It's called Great Day for Up. Since my channel is Life in the UP or Life in the UP. Have you read this one before? Have you? Okay.
What is that?
Looks like a frog to me. What do you think?
It is a frog.
Oh, look at that.
How can I read it?
Yep.
Why is there all the worms?
It's a beautiful
Who
day
likes
today.
snails on my hand?
Oh, I don't like snails in my hand either.
They're
I like
slimy.
them.
They're slimy. You like them? All right, ready? Next, oh, not to the end. We missed a whole bunch. We can't skip that much. Oh, look at that. Great day for up feet. Left. That's the end of our story. Thanks for joining us today. What do you guys like?
And those
Snails
are
on your
awkward.
hands?
I